Hello guys and welcome to How to Socials. In this video I'm going to show you how to get Google Chats on Gmail. So let's start. First, open the Gmail app. When the app is opened, you have to tap on the three bars on top left corner. Then scroll down to the bottom and then tap on Settings. Now select your Gmail ID. Now scroll down to the General section. And here you will see Chat, which is an early access for me. This is currently now on beta. Now to get the Google Chat, all you have to do is tap on Chat to enable this feature and then tap on Try it. But you have to remember that Google Chat is a new feature, so you might experience bug and other issues. And the new interface of the Gmail app will load. And at the bottom of the screen you will see two new tabs, which is Chat and Rooms. Now tap on Chat at the bottom of the screen and you'll see all of your conversations here. To start a new chat, tap on New Chat. And then you can search for a person, create a room, browse rooms, or see your message request. I'll just quickly search for a friend to start a conversation. All you have to do is search by their name and you'll see their email. Now tap on their email to open the conversation. Now you can write them a message. Now let's go back and then tap on Rooms. And you'll see all of your rooms here. To start a new room, tap on New Room. And you can create a room right away so that you can chat with your friends. So if this video helped you out, then don't forget to leave a like. And I'll see you in the next tutorial.